Okay, so right now we're rescuing a baby bird. And let's hope it's still there. Yeah. So where are we going? Down there? Okay.
I know where it is. So.
At the end?
Okay. I'll wait at the end.
Like, how is it at? Like,
So that's the nest right there.
where? Oh, where is it?
The board?
Yeah.
I know it is.
What, yeah? Like, but before the 1 minute. Wait! Gonna go see it. Okay, Ollie, pick up the bird nest.
Okay.
Okay, so Blake, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Was it like across there?
No, I know.
Here, let's both ways.
How can I lift it?
So, like, where is it?
Yeah.
Here. What? Like, where is it? We're looking for it.
I saw it.
Oh, it isn't? Like, where is it? Yeah? Blake, over here? Okay, so Blake, look over. Like, where over here? Where over here? Allie, over there? Okay. So, yes, my name's Brooklyn. Right there's my little brother. And trying to find the bird. And yeah. So where's the bird?
That's what I know where it is.
Sure, it's gonna be here.
Oh, there.
Oh, it's in there? Is it there?
Right there. See?
Oh, Blake. Is he?
I'm
Blake,
picking.
here, you want me to take it? Okay.
I'm picking it up.
Okay. Blake, I'll put him in the wagon. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's definitely damaged. He's not flying.
Yeah, he can't wait.
Yeah. Someone put him in the thing.
Okay, here. Take the thing.
His eyes are open. He's cold.
Yeah, okay. Right. Okay. There you go. Okay, so here's the baby bird. He's right there. Now we're just gonna go back to see how he is doing. So we'll be right back.
No.
Okay, so guys, so here's the baby bird right now. And if we have to do anything else, please leave in the comments. And I just have one problem. How do we feed him water? Wait, let's see right here. I'm getting his food. I'm gonna put that right. Wait, where did I put? Yeah, so here's his food right now. We don't have any syringes and we can't go out right now, so we have dog food mashed up. And I'm looking for the hardest piece to feed him. Tell me, someone leave in the comments if I'm doing this right, please. So we got a lamp. Okay, let me move this a second. Okay, so well, let's hope he's doing okay tomorrow. At least, so wait, move this big fat lamp. So, yeah, maybe move that back right here. So he is right here, and I'm gonna feed him. Like, am I even doing this? Okay, so I can't feed him right now. on camera. I'll give you an update tonight at maybe at 11 or 10. So bye.